This is our first assignment. It's called Key Math, and it's the first one that I'm going to have you guys do this year. Right now, it is set up as a must do for this week. After this week, they should become should do's. We will be doing key math periodically throughout the year. Right now, it's a must do. As we progress through our year, they will become should do's. This assignment was designed to help you fill in the gaps that we may have in our math skills. You may find them to be easy, but since we're not in a true school setting, it is not possible to test you to see where you are in your skills. So I'm assigning them in order to all of my students. You'll need to read the directions carefully and do exactly what is being asked of you to do. I'll show you an example of what is expected for each page. Have fun, enjoy this quick assignment. Now, on the first page, the picture shows a group of 4 dogs and a group of 3 dogs. The picture also shows 7 dogs in order. So here's number 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I continue counting, there's 5, 6, 7. Now, here's our first group. Here is our second group. So we could say that 4 plus 3 equals 7. So we're going to be doing that for each one of these. We have 4 birds here. So I'm going to write a 4 here. We have 1 bird here, so I'm going to write a 1 there. We have 5 birds in total, so I'm going to write a 5 there. You will continue doing that on this page. If you find it easier to circle the different groups so you can write the equation, great. If not, that's okay. But you have to show me your work of the 4 plus 1 equals 5. This is a page of addition. It says 2 carrots and 3 carrots make 5 carrots in all. Another way to say this is 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 is the sum. It says color 2 carrots green and 3 carrots orange. How many carrots are in all? So it's asking you to do some coloring again. And we have green. So I'm going to color 2 carrots green. Now I don't have an orange, so I'm going to have to substitute with red. And on your iPads, if you have troubles with that, you can cross that out and write red since I don't have it. So I have 2 plus 3 equals 5. So don't forget when you're doing this that you color the picture, count the objects, and solve each problem. So on this first one, it says color 1 party hat blue. So there's 1 party hat that's blue. And it says color 3 party hats red. So I'm going to color this one red. And you notice I'm not doing a great job coloring. I'm still learning with the stylus. So then I'm going to go back over here, and I have the equation of 1 plus 3 equals, and I have 4 party hats in total. So I write the number 4 there. Continue on and get this page done, and then move on to the next. On this page, we're going to be working on subtraction. The directions are, there were 8 blocks. Let's try that again. There were 8 books. Take away 2 books. How many books are left? 8 books, take away 2 books, leave 6 books. 6 is the difference. And if you notice, they X'd them out. So down here for our directions, it says cross out and count the objects. So you have to show me that you're crossing them out. I'm going to go with red right now. It says there are 2 sailboats. Take 1 sailboat away. So I'm going to X through 1. How many sailboats are left? So 2 minus 1 is, I have 1 left. So I write a 1 on the line. You have 5 more problems to do on this page. Good luck and get them done before going on to the next. Now we're going to practice some of our skills that we've just went through. And then they're with winter problems, and they're a little bit harder to give you a challenge. So it says Ben decorated 48 holiday cookies. He gave 15 to the kids at his bus stop. He gave 12 to his teacher. How many cookies did Ben have left? Now, how you solve this is up to you. I would prefer you not use a calculator and to show me your work. So I know that, and I'm going to go in. I'm going to do some writing in this. We know that he decorated 48 cookies. He gave 15 to the kids at the bus stop, and he gave 12 to his teacher. And I want to know how many he has left. That means it's a subtraction problem. So I'm going to come over here. Like I said, you could do this in a couple of different ways. I have 48 cookies. I know he gave 15 to the kids at the bus stop. So I'm going to write my answer there. And I know that 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So he has 33 cookies left after the bus stop. He gave 12 to his teacher, so I'm going to write a 12 there. Then I'm going to do that subtraction problem. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So how many cookies did Ben have left? He had 21. Now, when you have word problems, you need to label them. So he has 21 cookies. So I got to label them. And that's going to be an important feature of these next pages. Now, we've just done one word problem. What you are going to do on this page and the next page is just go through and do the problem. Make sure you show me your work when you are figuring out the answer, and don't forget to label the problem. Here is your last problem to do. Once again, read the problem, show me your work, don't forget to label. When you are done, don't forget to submit it to me through Canvas. Have fun, enjoy, and I will see you guys